8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get into it. All right, well, I'm Will, your host, and thank you for tuning in to SHIB5050raffle.com. Again, this is SHIB channel only. This we don't talk about anything other than SHIB. And why do you want SHIB as part of your portfolio? Well, SHIB is the only currency in the world that's reducing its circulating supply almost daily. Not every single day, but almost daily. We are gaining in new wallet holders almost every single day as well. We've taken a little bit of a downturn. About 1,000 wallets have left in the last little while. Now it's probably up since this recording, but just so that you're aware, it was going down this morning. It did go up during the return of that huge down cycle from the Federal Reserve that happened. But everything in cryptocurrency should not have a direct impact from whatever the Fed has to say. That being said, the markets did sell off. So did cryptocurrencies. SHIB should never sell off. In theory, SHIB should always go up because we were reducing circulating supply and we're bringing in more holders. So as we're reducing the circulating supply, we're adding value every single day to SHIB. So if we're adding value, does it make sense that we would have any down days? It makes zero sense, people. It makes zero sense. Therefore, that's why the educational part of the SHIB communications is so important to not just to the SHIB community, but to the world. You have to understand that fear mongering between SHIB holders is a massive driver of SHIB. So on the positive side, it should always gain in value. It should never lose value because it's reducing its circulating supply and it's gaining more wallet holders. As the circulating supply is dwindling, we are going to gain more and more wallet holders. More and more people are going to catch on to why SHIB is going to be the number one driver of cryptocurrencies throughout the entire world. Only because of its reducing its circulating supply and bringing on more demand as we go through the process. Now, each organization on the planet hasn't figured this out yet, but they will soon, that they are getting paid to reduce the circulating supply of SHIB. So and they get those in terms of write-offs. But if you're holding enormous amount of SHIB and you're reducing the circulating supply at the same time, you are gaining even more value. So as more and more organizations figure this out, this will be the main driver for SHIB. And I don't know why anyone else is not covering this. They just aren't. And I'm Will, your host. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm trying to make this as short as possible and with the most information that you can possibly get your hands on. More information can be found on SHIB, worldwide 5050raffle.com, and it's free education for you. So there's a lot of information that's put out there. It's free. It's volunteered to you. The raffle part of it is to drive in more awareness, build the community even faster, and reduce the circulating supply even greater. So that the whole purpose of the raffle was to push forward the whole process quicker so that everybody has a chance. Not everybody has a chance, but everybody has to move quickly. If the raffle were to take place today or tomorrow and we were able to start that raffle draw on a regular basis, that would be a massive amount of adoption into the SHIB community and building the family and community together. So we're part of the army, we're part of the community, we're part of the family of SHIB. So I want everybody to make sure that they get their chance to get SHIB as soon as they can, as cheap as they can, before the organizations take it over, before the banks and the national treasurers of the world take it over. So it's only a matter of time before they catch on to it. I just want to make sure that you get a chance to get in there before they do. All right, I'm Will, your host. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the channel. Make sure you take part in what's going on. We're live every single day at 5:30, roughly. Because of the holidays, we are closed Christmas Day, and we'll be open New Year's. So we are constantly evolving, and we're constantly making sure that you get educated in SHIB as soon as possible. And I mean that with all the sincerity that I have, because I know for a fact this these prices will not last at this rate very long. All right. Thank you so much. We'll peace out, everybody. Have a great and wonderful evening. Merry Christmas to you and your family and friends. Make sure you pass this information along if you get a chance. And thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great and wonderful day.